The gearbox uses a series of gears to reduce the motor RPMs to a speed suitable to drive the feed rollers. Over time, the gears inside the gearbox will wear. Eventually, a gear can fail, causing the rollers to skip or not drive at all. Replacing the gearbox assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by disassembling the crank handle, the top cover, and the side covers. I'll remove the depth stop lever and remove the other cover. Next, I'll remove the chain guard from beneath the chains. Now I can remove the retaining rings that secure the sprockets. I'll use a pair of retaining ring pliers to do this. With the rings removed, now I can pull the sprockets and chain away from the gearbox. Now remove the retaining ring from the infeed roller sprocket. And I'll remove the roller sprockets and chain. With the chains and sprockets removed, I have access to the gearbox, and I'll remove it now. Now I can install the new gearbox. I'll transfer the spacer from the shaft on the old gearbox over to the new, and I'll install the screws that came in the kit with the new gearbox. You'll notice there's 3 different screws included. 2 of the screws have shoulders, and the other 2, one is longer than the other. I'll look at the old gearbox to identify where each screw goes. The 2 shoulder screws go here and here. The longer screw goes on the top of the gearbox, and the shorter screw on the bottom. And now I'll install the gearbox back onto the planer. Now I'll reinstall the feed roller, sprockets, and chain. I'll secure the infeed roller sprocket with the retaining ring. Now I can reinstall the drive chain and sprockets back onto the gearbox and feed roller. I'll secure the 2 sprockets with the retaining rings. And I'll reinstall the chain guard. And I'll finish by reinstalling the sides, the top cover, and the crank handle. And now you know how to install a new gearbox assembly on your planer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.